U.S.-China trade talks are set to resume early next month. Ahead of that, a delegation from Beijing has already arrived in Washington for preparatory talks. These discussions at the vice ministerial level are the first in-person meetings in almost 2 months and will pave the way for higher-level talks in October. China and the U.S. have been embroiled in a tit-for-tat trade war for 14 months. But recently, it's seen a welcome reprieve after both sides made conciliatory moves. And as William Lee, chief economist from the Milken Institute, explains, China needs a victory ahead of its National Day, and that's on October the 1st.
The tensions, I think, are easing because I think people are underestimating to the extent to which Xi Jinping really needs to bring home a victory. And Xi Jinping, I think, wants to be able to say to the people on October 1st, we stared down the Americans and they blinked. In order for him to do that, he's going to have to buy the Americans' goodwill. And to buy the Americans' goodwill would mean more agricultural purchases, more industrial purchases, more Boeing aircraft purchases. And he'll, I think, try to put off the discussion of intellectual property and market expansions later on into the discussions after his celebrations and after perhaps the U.S. elections. So right now, I think the political imperative for Xi Jinping is to be able to come up with something that'll let the Americans say, okay, let's continue talking.